stop eating boring baked chicken recipes and start making ones that actually taste good. These are my spinach and artichoke stuffed chicken breasts, and they only take 30 minutes to prepare. We start by making the filling, which is just a mixture of Greek yogurt and cheeses, lemon juice, and finely chopped spinach and artichokes. Then we just cut a slit about 3/4 of the way into each chicken breast and stuff it with the filling. To keep it from leaking out while we cook, we will seal them with toothpicks, and then of course season the outside of our chicken breasts before giving them a quick sear on both sides, and then adding our tomatoes with garlic and salt and pepper. Then we move our pan to the oven for 10 to 15 minutes and bake until it looks like this. I'm telling you guys, it's super easy to make and super delish.